So next Switch 2 video, we're going to be testing out the official camera. I'm going to be honest with you, I don't actually have any friends, so I'm not going to be using GameChat, and I don't have, I think it's just Mario Kart World at the moment that can use the camera, so to be honest with you, I probably won't actually be using it. So why do I have it? Well, quite frankly, it came bundled with my pre-order. Well, it feels pretty good, I'll say that. It's got a little bit of weight to it. It's got, is that metal? I think it is. That's actually a metal frame, so that's nice. A bit of a plastic base there, but there's the camera itself. So it does have a green LED when it's plugged in. We'll see that in action. The actual quality, though, of the build is nice and impressive. And the USB-C cable is... How much length do you get with this? Let's stretch that out. Oh, I've got a bit of a knot there, hang on. Can't quite get all of that in frame. I'd say it's about 1.5 meters, maybe. So not the longest cable, but should be sufficient. Plug that in underneath the base of the camera, just there. And little hook on the stand so that you can sort of keep the cable nice and managed. So you do get the USB-C port on top of the Switch 2 console. So that very easily plugs in. And then we can just position the camera somewhere so it's going to face, obviously, where we want it to be. Yeah, that looks good. And so now in the settings here, if we head down to something like accessories, I think. I need to find accessories. Our controllers and accessories. There we go. And if we head down, yeah, we've got the update Nintendo Switch 2 camera. So we'll do that, see if there is a firmware update. There isn't. No surprise, it has just come out. And if we head to test USB camera, well, maybe to do with the fact that there is actually a privacy filter here, I'd completely forgot about, so we can easily just turn the outer casing and that will turn the privacy filter off. So now back into the settings, if we head down to test USB camera, we've got an image. Yeah, perfect. So 1080p image, I'll be honest with you, a little bit of a lower frame rate, doesn't seem to be the best webcam I've seen, certainly not as good as the Razer Kia that I'm using for my main webcam, but honestly I think this is going to be more than satisfactory for what you're going to be using it for with the Nintendo Switch 2. Just don't forget to turn off the privacy filter as I did. But in conclusion, I'd say it's about as good as I expected. It's a 1080p basic camera for your Nintendo Switch 2. You can have some fun with this, though, if you've got the games that support it, such as Mario Kart World. And, of course, the main purpose of using a camera like this is for GameChat, which is really a new, updated feature for this iteration of Nintendo's console. So hopefully this has been helpful to you. Let me know if you get the camera and what you think of it as well. But take care, guys. I'll see you next time.